OnePlus recently revealed the OnePlus 9 series, where the spec'd out variant comes with a Pro moniker called the OnePlus 9 Pro. In this video, we will be unboxing the smartphone and will be taking a look at its top features. The box packaging looks very minimal like the previous generation of OnePlus phones. There is the OnePlus 9 Pro branding on the top and nothing much around the box either. Opening the box, the first thing you get is the OnePlus 9 Pro itself. The next compartment has a silicone case, a quick start guide, safety information guide, a red cable club card, stickers, and a SIM ejector pin. Then there is the 65-watt fast charger with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable at the bottom. Now, let's keep the box aside and look at the best OnePlus 9 Pro features. The OnePlus 9 Pro has quad cameras on the back, headlined by a primary 48-megapixel camera with a Sony IMX789 sensor that has an f1.8 aperture and supports EIS. Other cameras include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel monochrome camera, and an additional 8-megapixel telephoto lens that offers up to 3.3x optical zoom. These cameras can record in 8K at 30 fps and 4K UHD videos at up to 120 fps with features like super macro, ultra short HDR, tilt shift mode, a 12-bit RAW mode, nightscape video, focus tracking, and more. The OnePlus 9 Pro comes with an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water ingress.